In April 2023, we made a quick visit to the beautiful city of Savannah, Georgia. Join us as we walk around the city, check out the waterfront, and some of the more older residents. Oh, good morning, friends, from a very early Sunday morning. Oops, parking meter. Sorry, a very early Sunday morning here in Savannah, Georgia. We came into Savannah last night to have a look around, but it was Saturday night and it was absolutely heaving down here. So we didn't get much of a look around. There was nowhere to park and you could hardly move. So we've come back this morning for a better look around while it's a bit quieter. So we've walked along Bay Street for a bit and we've come down onto Factor's Walk. And this is the area where they used to bale and sell the cotton in the 19th century. And all the old warehouses. These days there's lots of little restaurants and cafes and really interesting little businesses and shops to look through. It's all a bit still closed this morning because it's too early, but later on in the day I think it'd be a bustling area, very interesting to have a look through. We've wandered down onto the river now and it's looking out over the Savannah River. Hutchinson Island on the other side. There's a big swanky golf club. And on the other side of the island and another river is South Carolina. We're right on the border here. It's a beautiful old Georgia Queen paddle boat. We want to go for a sightseeing tour along the river. They do lunch and dinner cruises and sunset cruises. Quite nice in the summertime and a beautiful day. Gosh, all the bars, restaurants and cafes down here all look just fabulous. Unfortunately, we're going to have to come back on another visit because we've only got limited time here today and we need to move on. Okay, we've left the waterfront now, we're just wandering up through the township. I know squirrels are probably a pest over here, but we find them hilarious and absolutely fascinating. And I so want to take one home for my cat. I feel he'd find them fascinating as well. Something a bit different than church bells on a Sunday morning. Savannah has a large flourishing population of oak trees, and the bearded lichens that hang from the branches make it a truly magical experience to walk through. This is the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist, Roman Catholic Church. Very, very pretty architecture. So this won't be everybody's cup of tea, but I really like having a look around old cemeteries. We've come into the Colonial Park Cemetery, and it was established in 1750. There's lots of signs around the place noting things in history and notable people. It's really quite interesting. Well, unfortunately, that's all we've got time for today. It was a very quick visit to Savannah. We've got to make our way down the coast. So we'll leave you with a drive along Bay Street, and we'll catch you in another episode, friends. Take care.